Ben Mariner here from Mariner Media, and in this little video, I'm just going to show you why most businesses aren't getting the results they want out of Facebook ads. And the result and the reason for that really is they're not using what we call a pixel. And it might sound a little bit techy, but it's really not that scary. All a pixel is basically is a small piece of code that goes into your website that allows Facebook to track the activity across from Facebook to your website. And it's super easy to set up. I'm going to have some other tutorials on how to set up your pixel. But the difference in the rates of conversions and all the things that you want to optimize for is absolutely huge when you just change your campaigns. So the main problem I get is that people say, okay, I'm doing a traffic campaign or I'm just driving traffic to my website, but it's not converting. And it's no good just driving traffic across to the website, because Facebook will basically look at that when you set up a campaign and say, I want traffic. And Facebook will then go within that audience and find the cheapest people to then, and the most likely people to click on the link and come and look at your website. But that doesn't mean the most likely people to actually buy. So if you've got a pixel in place, which obviously gets pasted into the website, you can then track these things. So I've got a little example here of a pixel that's set up at the moment. So the last 28 days for one of my businesses is 9,700 page views. And yeah, so 261 checkouts. And what the campaign will do now, so you're just starting a new campaign, and this is the first 28 days, and that those 261 initiate checkouts and also the actual purchases aren't registered on here, but the 261 checkouts, Facebook will then go back and it will look at all those people and think, okay, what connects these people? What's the most likely sort of common denominators? What are they clicking on? What are they converting? What other websites they're visiting? And it will take that data and then go and find more people to chase, like more people to show that campaign to make it a lot more effective. And I've not got the purchase set up properly on here, so I can't show you the conversion rate. But yeah, you can see by the initiate checkouts that Facebook will then, the pixel is picking up on all of those different events and then going back to the campaign, informing it more and making my cost cheaper and obviously my conversions higher. So that's super, super important that you remember that. Also, most businesses, the problem they make is they use other campaigns like traffic and page likes over using conversions. Conversions is going to be the thing where you can say to Facebook, right, I want you to optimize for initial checkout, because that's the action that I want them to take with it on the page they land on. And Facebook then optimize to make sure that those people that land, those people getting shown the ad are the most likely to actually click initiate checkout, not just sending traffic over. So that's the biggest problem. That's the main reason why businesses don't make the returns they want from Facebook, because they tell Facebook, I want traffic, and they subconsciously think, well, that means I want purchases too. But Facebook doesn't know that. Facebook's an algorithm, so and a machine. So you have to be very specific. Okay, I want initiate checkouts. I want purchases. You have to be very specific with what it is that you actually want from them. Otherwise, if you just want traffic, it will then take that budget and it will get you the most amount of traffic for that budget. But you want traffic, but you also want this. So that's why it tends to be the case in 95% of businesses that you need to be using conversion campaigns. And to do that, you need to install the pixel. So I'm going to be doing other videos on how to install it and also how to set up conversion campaigns. But if you check out the links in the description, there's other links in there to resources, to cheat sheets we've got, also other videos on how to do all this stuff. So I hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next video.